Got a little inchworm. Yeah, there's a lot of bugs in these, and I wasn't like... I wasn't always very careful about making sure that they were like washed. I don't know if that's a bug or like some kind of like seed or something. But yeah, man, this pile's not getting much smaller. Starting to wonder if it's even worth it. But yeah, I guess I cut them all the way. I cut all of them all down. So if I want to have some stored, then I gotta process these leaves and freeze them or dry them or whatever. But I probably got plenty of the seeds and flowers. I mean, like I said, I still got the ones from last year that I didn't even need. So I got enough to plant as much as I want, more than I know what to do with. So yeah, we'll see. I'll get through it. That's about it.